Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have what has become one of my favorites. We have the new dollar days starting tomorrow, but quick, did anybody get their Predator 3500 watt super quiet generator 550? It's the lowest price it's been at HARBRO Freight. Let me know if you got it. And on that, if you find this helpful or useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It helps the channel grow a lot, and I appreciate everybody. But let's go ahead and get into it. It's the dollar days going through, again, starting tomorrow, going through September 10th. And we're gonna have it, just not confirmed yet. We'll have the Labor Day weekend sale coming up. Always good to combine that with a couple dollar day basket fillers that you can stop and get. And here's one. We have the Pittsburgh 4-inch magnetic parts holder, $1, normally $3, which seems a little bit high, but $1, 66% off. This has also been a free gift, but one of the nicer gifts, if you ask me. Next, the Super Glue 3-pack, normally $2, now $1, 49% off. The 9-foot by 12-foot disposable drop cloth for $1. Have a few of those handy because you never know when you need some drop cloths just to have handy, and at $1. Great deal, 50% off. We have the Chicago Electric Power Tools Heat Shrink Tubing Assortment 9-piece, also at $1. Black, red, and white, normally $2, 49% off. The 1-inch roller ball bearing at $1 as well, 49% off. Pittsburgh's Micro Spring Clamp Set, 6 pieces in lime green, blue, pink, and red, 49% off, also normally $2. We have the Merlin 1/4-inch steel industrial plug. Your choice of female or male at $2, only 19% off, normally $2.49. We have the Vanguard 3-way grounded adapter at $2, 28% off, normally $2.79. Storehouse alert, that's not real. Electrical clip set 28-piece, $2, normally $3, 33% off. That's pretty nifty, actually. Maybe one day they'll earn an alert. Next, Hallmaster 5/8" by 3-inch hitch pin with clip, $3, normally $4, 24% off. The 2-inch angle paintbrush, good quality, $3, 45% off, normally $5.49. We have the Franklin 40-inch by 50-inch moving blanket, normally $5, down to $4, 19% off. Decent deal. We have Hallmaster's mini elastic stretch cords, 20-piece for $4, 33% off, normally $6. Good deal there. Braun Alert 200 lumen LED pen light for $5, normally $8, 37% off. Solid deal there. Then we have Pittsburgh's trim and molding tool set, 5-piece, normally $9, so $4 off at $5, 44% off. Really good deal there. And we have Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, Pittsburgh Alert panel clip pliers, $5, normally $9.50, 47% off. So good deal there. More Pittsburgh lifetime warranty wood chisel set with PVC handles, 3-piece set, down to $5, normally $7, so 28% off is solid. We have the Ranger foldable earmuffs at $6, 14% off, normally $7. Continuing, we have the 9-foot and 4-inch by 11-foot and 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant tarp, down to $6 even, normally $8, 24% off. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty 12-inch rafter angle square at $6, normally $8, 24% off there. And we have the classic Hardy split leather work gloves with cotton back, 5-pair for $7, normally $10, 29% off. And then we got a Pittsburgh Pro Alert. Pittsburgh Pro Alert, the 3/8-inch drive, color-coded socket set, 10-piece, $7, normally $11. Available, your choice of SAE or metric. And if you're ever having somebody help you out, like one of the little ones that you can just, instead of saying, I need the 10mm socket, you can say, I need the yellow socket. And it just makes it so much easier. Or just easier for yourself when you're just looking for colors. 36% off for Pittsburgh Pro. Lifetime warranty. Again, I can't say this enough. This is a lifetime warranty for $7. that $7 is worth it in and of itself. We continue, more Pittsburgh, more lifetime warranty. Pick and hook set, 7-piece. And I am excited about this. It's $8, normally $12, so 33% off. But pick and hook sets come in so clutch when you least expect it. If you don't have a pick and hook set, then you're living in a nightmare right now when you need to pick something and you can't find the right tool to do it. You're looking for toothpicks, whatever it is. For $8, this is a super solid deal, and it's a 7-piece, so you're getting different angles to pick at. Anyways, $8, solid deal, 33% off, normally $12, and it's a lifetime warranty. And then rounding up the rear, we have Storehouse 12-drawer storage organizer, $9, 9% off, normally $9.99. And I don't believe I've seen this one, so we're gonna do a mini dive into this Storehouse at $10, only 10% off, so not great. But outside of not being the greatest price, it looks like an excellent storage option. And look what they've done with it here. Easy storage, organized junk, all the stuff in the right place, nice and labeled. And that's what you like to see. At $9, solid option. Does say limit 4. Solid option for some decent organization. And we'll leave it at that. We got some storage. We got some Pittsburgh Pro sockets, Pittsburgh pick set, panel clip pliers, anything else you're eyeballing here. Some decent deals. You got the Braun LED light. And then, of course, the 4-inch magnetic parts holder, which is always super clutch. Which one of these dollar days is catching your eye? Who made it away with the Predator generator for $250 off? Anyways, we'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting out there. Happy shopping. We're close to that Labor Day sale. And if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have that deal and other deals, I will send them your way.